On the 2nd of August, 2025, a rare snowstorm struck the northern tablelands of New South Wales, with intensity previously unseen in the region. In high-altitude areas like Guyra and Armidale, snowfall reached up to 50 centimeters, leaving over 200 vehicles stranded on snow-covered roads. Traffic came to a complete halt on New England Highway, Waterfall Way, and Oxley Highway due to icy roads, black ice, and fallen trees. Some drivers were forced to spend the night in their vehicles as rescue efforts continued into the evening. Within 24 hours up to 4:30 p.m. local time, the NSW State Emergency Service, SES, recorded 745 weather-related incidents, deploying more than 1,000 volunteers in coordinated emergency responses. In addition to the snow, the region also experienced heavy rainfall between 65 and 130 mm, increasing the risk of river flooding in systems like the Peel and Namoy rivers.
Big flakes are landing. Yeah, dunk, 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 dunk.
Strong winds of 9,100 km/h battered infrastructure, causing power outages and damaging public facilities. The event is highly unusual for this region, which typically only receives light snow every few years. Snow accumulation over 15 centimeters is considered historic and shocked the local public.
We definitely weren't expecting this. We checked all the weather reports. Look at the school bus!
This extreme weather severely increased the risk of accidents due to black ice, particularly for vehicles lacking snow chains. Overall, the storm marks one of the most challenging meteorological events in NSW in recent decades. Massive snowfall, major transport disruptions, and a large-scale emergency response that saved lives, while also highlighting the region's vulnerability to extreme weather shifts.